Hi, I'm very happy to offer these thoughts about the shofar. The shofar, as you know, is one of the most important parts of the high holiday service, and it's something that we all look forward to. And even though it's not going to be on Shabbat, we are certainly going to be having it on the Sunday of Rosh Hashanah, and we blow the shofar every morning during the month of Elul as well. One of the things I find powerful is first that it's a wordless prayer. It's just, please listen, please help me. But secondly, what you may not realize about why we have the different sounds of the shofar is that it's actually a compromise. There was one group of rabbis wanted the long sound of the shofar, the Teki'ah. Some said it should be the 3 short blasts, the shvarim, and some said it should be the truah, the 9 very, very quick blasts. And instead of saying, I'm right, they said, we're all right, and let's do it together. And maybe there's a lesson in there for all of us. So when we hear the shofar, let's remember it's okay to compromise, it's okay to listen, and sometimes the best prayer is, please help.
Teki'ah.
Shivarim.